Today we're working on this old Yamaha Wolverine. I got it probably 2 years ago. It's pretty rusted. Looks just to be surface, but it is everywhere. Tires, we're gonna inflate those here in a second. Notice there's some muffler hack job going on. But all in all, it's there. We'll need a new seat for it. Yeah, paid 400 bucks for it, and not sure any info on it. Definitely needs a battery. Looks like all the controls are there, so it doesn't look terrible. Just this seat is not ideal, but we'll slap a battery in it, get some air in the tires, get it in the shop. We'll see what happens. You want to be the camera girl? Here, hold it. And you gotta point it just like that.
What are you doing?
I'm filling up the tires so we can pull it in the shop.
It's going big.
Yeah, it's getting big.
Yeah.
Good job. Alright, one more tire to go.
Okay, one more tire to go.
Alright, bring it over here, Lena. Yeah, we're gonna fix it up, huh?
Yeah.
Alright.
Good tire. One more tire left.
Come over here.
I see me all by myself.
Yeah. Alright, you ready to pull it in the shop, Lena?
Uh-huh.
Let's get this seat out of here. Let's go ahead and hook up the battery. Looks like we got a key, so we'll see what has power, see if our starter works, and kind of go from there. Alright, let's just go ahead and throw a jumper pack on here. Okay, neutral light's on, that's good. Oh. One headlight. Highs don't work, but on low beam I've got one at least. Okay. Let's try the starter button. Actually, just in case this thing is locked up, I'm going to try turning it over by hand first, and then we'll try the starter. Take a look at the oil here. Yeah, it's got great oil. Wow, that looks really clean too. Alright, let's see. Oh. Okay. Alright. Oh. Yep, we're not locked up. Okay, no starter. Alright, well, at least we have a pull cord, so we can maybe just use that to try and get it going. Looks like we're missing a fuel hose. Probably needs a carb cleaning. Let's just go ahead and test the starter and the solenoid, because I really don't want to pull this thing over if I don't have to. So I've got a little test light here. We're just going to ground it to a bolt here on the frame. And the key is in the on position. Let's see. Alright, we're getting power to the solenoid. And then when we hit the push button, should be getting power over here, and this thing should be clicking. So I'm going to go ahead and hit the start. Hitting it, nothing. So let's go ahead and jump these two posts here with a screwdriver and see if we can get that starter to go. Alright, starter's good. Bad solenoid. So we're going to use this method when we get to the testing phase. So now let's go ahead and pop a hose on there, put some gas, and see what happens. I'm going to turn it on and see if we got any old gas in here. Nothing. So this thing's bone dry. Let me throw some gas in it and we'll see what we can do. Alright, let's make sure we have flow. Yeah, we're flowing. Alright, let's hook it up. Give that a little bit to fill up that float bowl, and we'll see if it starts. Alright, so we were getting a little bit of leaking from our overflow out of our carburetor, but then it stopped. So I think our needle valve is sealing like it should. Let's go ahead and pull the choke out. Put the key on, see what happens here. Oh. Idle's just way too high, and this is out of adjustment and it's not going down, so this cable I think is needing some adjustments up here. Let's do that. Man, I can't believe that thing started. That is crazy. Right, let's see what's behind here. Screwing it in, I think, will give us a little bit more slack. Let me go down here and double check. Yeah. Let me screw it in a bit more here. All right. Try that again. There we go. Now I've got some idle control. Man, this thing sounds good. What the heck? Yeah, pretty loud. Looks like somebody put a cherry bomb exhaust on this thing. Pretty gnarly. It's like it melted a hole or something. All the plastics are all melted. Man. I was thinking for sure we're gonna have to clean that carburetor. That's crazy. That's why I always try it first. You never know. Sometimes they just work. So how these things operate is there's no clutch. This is actually for the rear brake. It's like a semi-automatic clutch. So all you got to do is shift the gears. No clutch to pull in. So that's kind of cool. But as you can tell, we've got no rear brakes. So kind of want to test the front brakes. I don't want to test drive this thing and not have any brakes. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, we got some brakes. Alright, so I feel like that idle can come down a touch still. There we go. Right on, sounds pretty good. That's I don't really want to test drive it with that. Let me see if I can get a battery that'll fit in here. We'll just throw a battery in it and take it on an actual test drive. Alright, let's take it on the maiden voyage here. See how she does. Come on. There we go. I'm going to bring our key with us just in case we need to restart it. Alright, for reverse, I think we push down and like so. Oh. Shifter's acting kind of funny though. Alright, that's second. Third. going on. It's not wanting to shift up. It's downshifting. Alright, we're back in first gear. Wait for these cars to get out of the way. That's a pain in the butt. Sit up. My seat's not attached. Almost lost it. Wow. He's got some balls. Third. I'm gonna try going into fourth. There's 4. I think this thing has 5 gears though, so we got one more to try. Alright, there's 5th. Yeah, we got some issues with our shifter though. Let's take a look. Yeah, so guessing this is why it's so hard to shift. This linkage here, just a bunch of slop in it. Alright, there's neutral. That's first. Loud. Jeez. All right, test drive complete. Will it run? Yes. Does it look good? No, it does not. Man. Oh yeah, that exhaust is super hot. No wonder it burned a hole through that. But ran good besides the shifting issue. Yeah, look at that. Look at all that play in that bottom ball. That's the issue. Need a new linkage there. Should fix the shifting issue. And then we'll get a solenoid ordered, a seat, new exhaust, and we should be looking pretty good. So yeah, appreciate you guys for watching. We'll order some parts and then probably make another video getting all that installed and seeing how it turns out. But like always, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.